Last summer, I went on a trip to visit some famous landmarks. It was a great experience. I made a travel itinerary to plan my days. I wanted to see as much as possible. I visited 3 beautiful cities: Paris, Rome, and London. Each city has amazing landmarks. I arrived in Paris in the morning. Paris is the capital of France. It is a very beautiful city. On the first day, I visited the Eiffel Tower. It is very tall and famous all around the world. I took many photos. I also went to the top of the tower and saw the whole city from above. It was amazing. In the evening, I walked by the River Seine and ate dinner in a small restaurant. The food was delicious. I had French bread and cheese. On the second day, I visited the Louvre Museum. I saw the Mona Lisa painting. The museum is very big. I walked a lot and saw many beautiful works of art. In the afternoon, I visited Notre Dame Cathedral. It is a very old and beautiful church. I learned about its history and took some pictures. The next day, I flew to Rome, the capital of Italy. In Rome, I visited the Colosseum. It is a huge ancient building. Long ago, people watched shows and fights there. I learned many things about Roman history. Later, I ate pizza in a local restaurant. Italian pizza is the best. On the fourth day, I went to Vatican City. I saw St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel. The paintings on the ceiling were beautiful. The art and buildings were very impressive. On the fifth day, I traveled to London, the capital of the United Kingdom. First, I visited Big Ben, the famous clock tower. Then I went to the London Eye, a big wheel. I rode to the top and saw all of London. It was a great view. On the last day, I visited Buckingham Palace, the home of the King and Queen. I watched the changing of the guard. The guards wear red uniforms and tall black hats. This trip was one of the best in my life. I saw many famous places and learned about different cultures. Traveling helps me understand the world better. I took many photos and wrote in my travel journal every day. I want to travel again next year.